Guys, guess who's back filming with their ring light? This girl. Hey guys, it's Larissa. Welcome back to another video on my channel. This week's video, I have more squishy packages. I have 2 today. I was expecting 2 more, but it's okay. They're probably coming soon. A few packages. But before we get onto it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of the hashtag Lari fam notification shout out, just like these people on the screen. All you have to do is subscribe down below and comment hashtag Lari fam. So yeah, I'm trying to brag in any single way. I'm super grateful. I bought these with all of my own money. I do work for a living, so you know, let's get on to the first one. And I don't know who this is from, but their username will be on the screen, and I have my green scissors with me. I feel like, I really hope I'm not cutting everything. Oh my god, I almost cut the note. Okay, so here's the note, and it says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. Hope you can purchase again soon. Seattle Squishy on..." Oh, if you want to pause to read. Oh yeah, also shout out to my friends Hannah and Talia. They love my squishy videos, so you know. Oh, they gave me 2 extras. Okay, so this is the first one, and it's like this bear squishy. It's super soft, and I love commons because they're just so cute. And yeah, dreaming was this like ice cream. Super squishy, like soft, which no, I love. So for my purchase item, it's this shoe squishy, and it's in packaging. So so squishy. Oh my god, this is so much smaller than I expected it to be. Oh my god, I love this. So much Malika, which is from Cinder Cake 415 on YouTube and Instagram. I've ordered from Vivian 2 times. She's the sweetest person like ever, and her prices are so affordable, so you know, they're so cute. Like, where do you get your packaging? I would love to know, because like my packaging isn't like this cute, like, and I sell squishy. And then I really showed you. Here it is. Okay, this one is so big. So it's like this cake squishy. I think this is from By Blue or something. I'm not gonna take it out of the package. It's so squishy. Big, and this is like the mini one. It's huge. Like, here's this comparison to my hand. It's like, I love this so much. And I think I like this one better than the rainbow one, just because like those are like my favorite shades for blue. This is so cute. It's like this mini avocado squishy, and it's by Fat Paw. And then, oh my god. Oh my god. It's really squishy too. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's so squishy. Oh my god. I fell in love with this. It's like this pulley in like a Santa costume, and I don't know what is up with this here, but it's so squishy. And like, I don't know what's up this year, but like, they make so many like buttons, and I don't know, for some reason I really love buttons, even though like I sold a lot of mine, but I love buttons, and I think it's so squishy. And here's this tag. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, she gave me a freaking squishy extra. What the? I'm freaking loving this. Like, I love when sellers give squishy extras. It's like this guy in like a king costume. I don't know his character, but oh, that's soft. Thank you so much for this squishy extra, Vivian. Like, what the? And I received this package so fast because like she lives pretty close to me. She give out really amazing extras because it's like very time consuming. stickers. They're hamburger and french fries. I'm literally gonna put this like on my water bottle, like. And then she says thank you. So you should put thank you, CenderK415 on YouTube and Instagram on this little paper, which you guys should go check out her YouTube channel. Her channel's amazing. And then she gave me some, I think these are called like memo sheets. So there's this one in Rilakkuma, and then this one is, I don't know the separate, I don't know the characters, but I know it's by Sanex. And then she gave me this Rilakkuma one as well. So thank you so much, because I do sell squishies, so these will be quite handy when I write notes. I got in this package. I'm sorry if it's like really short. It's only 2 packages, so I got more. Like it said I would get like 2 other packages today, but they were probably arriving late or something. I don't know. So yeah, thanks so much